Welcome to Chapter in Minutes, where we bring you the essence of great books in a concise and engaging format. Today, we're diving into The Art of Consistent Progress, a comprehensive guide to achieving lasting growth and success through small, consistent steps. Whether you're looking to improve your personal life, career, health, or creativity, this book provides the tools, strategies, and mindset shifts you need to stay on track and achieve your goals. In this summary, we'll break down the key ideas, practical strategies, and actionable insights from each chapter of the book. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to master the art of consistent progress and apply these lessons to your own life. Let's get started. Introduction: The Essence of Progress. The book begins by redefining progress. It's not about overnight success or achieving perfection, it's about the journey of continuous improvement. Progress is the result of small, consistent actions that compound over time. The author emphasizes that consistency is the key to mastery and that anyone can achieve their goals by embracing this mindset. Chapter 1: The Psychology of Progress. This chapter explores the mindset needed for consistent progress. It introduces the concept of the growth mindset, popularized by psychologist Carol Dweck, which is the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort. The author also discusses the importance of overcoming the fear of failure and building habits that sustain momentum. Chapter 2: The Science of Small Wins. The science of small wins is rooted in the idea that tiny, incremental improvements compound over time to create massive results. The author explains the compound effect and shares examples of historical figures who achieved success through small, consistent actions. Chapter 3: The Role of Discipline and Motivation. This chapter distinguishes between motivation and discipline. While motivation provides the initial spark, discipline is what keeps you going when motivation fades. The author provides practical strategies for building self-discipline and staying motivated, even when progress feels slow. Chapter 4: Goal Setting for Long-Term Success. Effective goal setting is the foundation of consistent progress. The author introduces the SMART Goals framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, and emphasizes the importance of setting process-oriented goals. Chapter 5: Time Management and Productivity. Time management is essential for making consistent progress. This chapter covers strategies like prioritization, the Pomodoro technique, and time blocking to help you stay focused and productive. The author also discusses the importance of balancing effort with rest to avoid burnout. Chapter 6: Tracking and Measuring Progress. What gets measured gets managed. This chapter explains the importance of tracking your progress and provides tools and techniques for doing so effectively. The author also emphasizes the role of celebrating milestones to stay motivated. Chapter 7: Dealing with Plateaus and Setbacks. Plateaus and setbacks are a natural part of the progress journey. This chapter explains why they happen and provides strategies for breaking through stagnation and learning from failure. Chapter 8: Managing Distractions and Staying Focused. In a world filled with distractions, staying focused is one of the greatest challenges to progress. This chapter explores the impact of technology and social media on focus and provides strategies for creating a distraction-free environment. Chapter 9: The Role of Community and Accountability. Progress is not a solo endeavor. This chapter highlights the importance of community and accountability in achieving your goals. The author discusses the power of accountability partners, building a supportive network, and giving and receiving constructive feedback. Chapter 10: The Historical Context of Progress. This chapter provides a historical perspective on progress, from the Industrial Revolution to the digital age. The author draws lessons from innovators and visionaries who mastered the art of consistent progress. Chapter 11: The Ethics of Progress. Progress is not just about personal achievement, it's also about responsibility. This chapter explores the ethical dimensions of progress, including balancing ambition with compassion and considering the environmental and social impact of your actions. Chapter 12: The Lifelong Journey of Progress. Progress is a lifelong journey, not a one-time achievement. This chapter encourages readers to embrace curiosity, continuous learning, and a commitment to growth. Conclusion: The Art of Consistent Progress. The book concludes by summarizing the key lessons and encouraging readers to take action. The author reminds us that progress is not about perfection but about persistence. By embracing the principles and strategies outlined in the book, you can achieve consistent progress and create a life of purpose, fulfillment, and impact. Why this book matters. The Art of Consistent Progress is more than just a self-help book, it's a roadmap for achieving lasting growth and success. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or an advanced reader looking to refine your approach, this book provides the tools, insights, and inspiration you need to stay on track and achieve your goals. By focusing on small, consistent actions, building self-discipline, and leveraging the power of community, you can overcome obstacles, stay focused, and make progress in every area of your life. The lessons in this book are timeless and universal, making it a valuable resource for anyone committed to personal and professional growth. How to apply these lessons. 1. Start small. Focus on one area of your life where you want to make progress and take small, consistent actions. 2. Build habits. Use the strategies in the book to create habits that support your goals. 3. Track your progress. Use journals, apps, or spreadsheets to measure your progress and stay accountable. 4. Seek support. Find an accountability partner or join a community that shares your goals. 5. Celebrate wins. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Final message. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the art of consistent progress. We hope this summary has inspired you to take action and apply these lessons to your own life. Remember, progress is not about being perfect, it's about being persistent. Keep showing up, keep taking small steps, and trust the process. If you enjoyed this summary, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Chapter in Minutes for more book summaries and actionable insights. Until next time, keep progressing and keep growing.